you guys, what's up? Today I am going to be doing literal AJ updates because I believe that Animal Jam, why did I spell it like that? Last time my computer died at like 68%, because this is an old computer and it's starting to lose its mind, so you don't have to be mean to it. But as you can see, we're at 95%, so don't you worry, you guys. I believe there's new updates. I just believe it. If there's not, I'm just gonna be, I don't know, but it always does this thing, even though I click use every time. It just does this thing where it says, so, Drama Journal. Alpha Mania for 2 weeks only. Jama is celebrating all things Alpha. That means 6 Alpha Dens are back on sale, and if you stop by the Alpha headquarters in Jama Township, you can find all the armor sets on sale too. This Alphantastic event only lasts for 2 weeks only, so get out there and show your Alpha pride. I might want to do that. Alright, what is this? Beach ball? No, okay. I think these are one of the eggs that they do. Spring festival is room. Which means it's time for the spring fest. In this seasonal adventure, you'll need 100 hidden spring eggs scattered across the land. Ice and clean. So those are the spring egg things. My computer is so laggy, you guys. It's so laggy. So laggy, guys. So laggy. I might need to refresh the page. No, she better not. And if you hear some...
You have Mrs. Wigglesworth out?
No.
Why not?
I'm making a video.
Just take the kitty out when you're in there.
Can you take him out?
Yeah. Her.
Well, her out.
Got a little bit of light left in the day.
Yeah. Fun. No. Okay. Blue eyes. They don't look like blue eyes to me. Look like yellow eyes. Where the heck is my... Oh, there I am. Right there. I'm making a video. So you know. So you weren't supposed to interrupt Mama. Or it gets laggy again. No. No, not this one. On the news, I'm gonna be in the news because I'm boring and old and... Refresh. Oh, did you see that? That was so cool. Okay, April Fools. Calling all pranksters. The April Fool's party is back, which means it's time to grab your buddies and head out for some topsy-turvy fun.
Hey, you're pretty good at writing. I'm impressed.
The party doesn't end here. New April Fool's items will be arriving in shops soon, so keep your eyes open for the legendary pranks coming your way. We have got my little guinea pig. Oh, no. She's about to fall off the bed. Alright. Don't you worry, little Mrs. Pigglesworth. Piggles. No, that's not her name. Her name is Lucky. Alright. Did you know Play Wild? I do know about Play Wild, and I refuse to play. But my friend, she really, really likes it. Advertisement. I already saw it in the corner. I'm like not doing it. It's when you know when it's time to reload. And another animal. Skunks. Okay, I heard about the skunks and skunk pets. Okay, castle. Okay, whatever. We're going to be checking out the skunks because that's probably the only thing that I can afford. So let's go ahead and buy ourselves a skunk. So as you can see, you can have 1,000 animals. Alright, well, let's get up our skunk. I kind of want a snow leopard. I'm going to hold my pickles. I paid, like, a lot of... Is that the skunk? Oh, no, that's the octopi. Do I seriously need to reload? I do not want to reload. Cheetah, horse, bunny, tiger. Do you guys hear that? I want a pig so... Okay. So we're gonna purchase up our skunk here. Let's go for something silly. Precious Fast Bear is funny, but we want something different. Rosie, no. Sleeping. Fiery. Claw. How much money? 10 debt. Whatever. These skunk are ugly. When they're like the basic, like, look at those. Well, let's do, goes for the nice red eyes. No. Okay. Or no. Adorable. Alright. Let's go ahead and buy ourselves... And actually, my guinea pig's name is Clover... No, Lucky, because I got her on St. Patrick's Day. So I really want to buy... Oh. What the heck? So cute. Christmas. Nothing. Okay. I need the bat wings. Is it back? Did you guys see the bat wings before me? Here we go. Let's get some red wings up here. Let's go for some... Hold on. The antlers don't look that good. The antlers. We need to get up a spiked collar. Cute, cute. No. What the heck? Did someone just flash trade me? Okay. We're gonna go up to shop. We need something for our head item. Alright, well, that's our completed look. I'm gonna buddy her. Well, let's see what other animals she has. LPS? That's her name? I love LPS, you guys. Excuse me. I'm gonna make some drama. Okay. Gila monster! Gila monster! I don't wanna let me get the freaking Gila monster! Alright, so we're going to be trying to get some drama in AJ. Now hold on, just give me a second. Okay, I'm allowed to say that. But I just want to check out the parties right now. See if we can get a party popping. Okay, so we're gonna do something like